stop scrolling for a second, because what you're about to see might completely change how you think about RVs forever. This is not just another camper van, and it's definitely not built for ordinary travelers. At first glance, it looks sleek and modern, but once you realize what it can actually do, you understand why people are calling it a game changer. This vehicle challenges everything the RV industry has been doing wrong for decades. Bulky designs, wasted space, high costs, and poor efficiency. Imagine having the comfort of a luxury RV without the size, stress, or massive price tag. That's exactly what makes this camper van so dangerous to the market. By the end of this video, you'll understand why traditional RV manufacturers are worried and why travelers are switching fast. What truly separates this camper van from traditional RVs is how intelligently every inch is designed. Instead of oversized furniture and empty corners, this van focuses on smart space usage, modern technology, and real-world practicality. The interior feels open, clean, and surprisingly spacious, even though the exterior remains compact and easy to drive. From the sleeping area to the kitchen and storage, everything serves a purpose without feeling cramped. High-quality materials and minimalistic design create a premium experience that rivals expensive luxury RVs. It's built for freedom, highways, cities, and off-grid travel, making older RV designs feel outdated and inefficient. The reason this camper van could destroy the RV market is simple. It delivers more value with fewer compromises. Traditional RVs are expensive, hard to maintain, difficult to park, and limited in where they can go. This camper van flips that idea by offering mobility, efficiency, and comfort at a more accessible level. It appeals to younger travelers, digital nomads, and van lifers who want flexibility without giving up quality. As fuel prices rise and travel habits change, people want smart solutions, not oversized luxury, and this vehicle fits that future perfectly. Beyond its smart design, this camper van truly shines on the road. Unlike traditional RVs that feel heavy and stressful, this vehicle drives more like a modern SUV or van. Acceleration is smooth, handling is responsive, and tight turns feel natural. Whether you're on highways, mountain roads, or city streets, driving remains comfortable and confident. Fuel efficiency is a huge advantage, allowing longer travel without constant fuel stops. Its compact size also means easier parking and less fatigue, making travel more enjoyable and spontaneous. This camper van isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's built for people who want to travel freely, work remotely, or escape routine whenever they choose. You can wake up near mountains, beaches, or forests while enjoying a comfortable living space. Unlike large RVs that require planning and reservations, this camper van allows spontaneous travel. It fits where others can't, making it ideal for solo travelers, couples, and small families who value flexibility and simplicity. When you compare cost to value, this camper van becomes even more impressive. Traditional RVs come with massive prices, high maintenance, insurance costs, and storage issues. This camper van reduces those burdens while still delivering a premium experience. Lower fuel consumption and simpler repairs make ownership practical. This shift towards smarter, more efficient travel is why the RV industry is facing disruption. People no longer want the biggest vehicle, they want the smartest one. One of the biggest strengths of this camper van is its off-grid capability. Unlike traditional RVs that depend on hookups, this vehicle is built for independence. Efficient power systems and smart energy management allow travelers to stay off-grid without sacrificing comfort. You can park in remote locations and still have power for essential needs. This freedom changes how people travel, shifting focus from campgrounds to real experiences in nature. Safety and reliability are essential for long-term travel, and this camper van delivers both. Built on a modern platform, it includes advanced safety features like improved braking and stability control. Its smaller size makes it more predictable and easier to handle in emergencies. Maintenance is simpler, parts are easier to find, and repairs cost less. This peace of mind allows travelers to focus on the journey instead of worrying about breakdowns. This camper van is designed for a new generation of travelers who value experiences over excess. It's perfect for digital nomads, couples, solo travelers, and even small families. Unlike traditional RVs used only occasionally, this camper van fits into everyday life. It can handle weekend trips, long journeys, or full-time living with ease. As travel becomes more lifestyle-driven, vehicles like this are becoming the top choice. At the end of the day, this campervan represents a new mindset. It proves that freedom doesn't require size and comfort doesn't require excess. By combining smart design, efficiency, and mobility, it challenges everything people believed about RV travel. This is the future of road travel, arriving faster than expected. If you've ever dreamed of traveling on your own terms, this campervan makes it possible. Let us know what you think. Would you choose this over a traditional RV? Subscribe for more innovations that redefine freedom on the road.